Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to increase the performance of the laptop to extreme. Last days I was using my laptop. Then I noticed that my laptop doesn't give me the expected performance from my hardware, even though I have Core i5-8600K, GTX 1060, 6GB and 16 RAM, and my laptop is still slow. Now I am going to show you how to solve this problem and get a high performance out of your laptop. First step is Windows updates. Make sure that your Windows is up to date to the last version of Microsoft Windows updates. To do this, you need to go to the Start menu, type Windows Updates and check this button, and wait until it downloads and installs all updates. Second step is Power Options customization. You have to open your Power Options and search for this selection which is high performance and choose it. Also, you can customize it as you want, and after choosing this option, you will notice a very huge difference in your laptop performance. Third step is Programs Cleanup. You need to uninstall unnecessary programs that you don't use. These programs can take a lot of storage and some of them work in the background all the time, so they make your laptop slower. Click on the Start menu and type Add or Remove Programs, then hit Enter. Here you can see all the programs you have installed. Now you can remove the unnecessary programs by clicking on the program and then uninstall. Fourth step is Startup Apps. Every time you start up your laptop, there is a lot of applications starting automatically, and that takes a lot of your laptop resources, so all we need is to disable these startup apps. And now right-click on the taskbar, choose Task Manager, go to Startup, and disable all unnecessary programs. The fifth step is Disable Windows Animations. Open the Ease of Access Center by pressing the Windows logo key, +U, under Simplify and Personalize Windows, turn off Show Animations in Windows. Now you can see that your Windows responds faster. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you to solve your problem, tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe my channel, and tell me in the comments if you have any other problems. See you.